Hi everyone. So I'm recording this. It's kind of weird at first because this is the very first time I install and use Screencastify. Si- Screencastify. There we go. So if you cannot hear me or if the video have any issues, please help me by letting me know so I can troubleshoot it and do a better recording in the future. So today I want to show you guys around about Notions. I know I have been talking a lot about Notions in our class, and um, I never really like have an opportunity to show the notion around, so I want to use this opportunity in module 6 when we do the lesson plan for the entire year to show you how I use Notion to do my lesson plan. So first of all, you have to sign up for Notion using your Gmail account. It should be quick and easy. And then here, if you click on this button right here, and I can lock the signbar, it's okay. But I don't like to lock it, so I can have like a bigger screen for what I'm working on for my working window. But I can actually create a lot of stuff right here. For example, like you said, here are all the pages that I have based on just different category. It could be a lesson plan for biochemistry, which is what I'm working on right now for module 6, and the daily activities, my daily activity, brainstorming, financial planning, reading, etc. A lot of things in here. However, what I want to go over is how do you make this kinds of pages and what is good about Notion that we have to use. So if you see this templates here and you click on it, then it will come up. For example, I've been using the lessons plans template to do this module 6 assignments, but you can use a lot of things. I think like for teachers, you can use like class note, a grade calculator. There's a lot of things for you to explaining. But let's see, if I want to do something more class related or school related, I guess, under students, I can choose class notes, and this kind of template will pop up. I can actually show you how I use this class notes in my note, specifically to take my notes at UNA in my undergrad. However, before we do that, I want to show you how do you use more template or search for more or browse for more templates. You can click here, browse more templates, and it should take you to the template gallery. You can log in if you want to, but you can search like anything here. Let's say like I want to do like a monthly uh, plan. Let's see, 1 year transformation planning templates. Okay, so let's see if I click on planning templates, and there's I think some templates is not free, but some are free, so just have to go search for them, search for the one that is free, and you can just like really you can use it as a way to work on your assignments. Okay, so try Notion for free, can do that. This is my Notion, it take you back to my Notion. And here I want to show you what I have done for the school. So okay, so for example, University of North Alabama, and here is fall 2021, which is last year, and this is what I do for my research. So it's very simple. You just need to click, and then this kind of like forward slash would appear, and then it would say type forward slash for commands. What that means is if you type forward slash, then you have a tons of options to choose from. And I just want to like quickly introduce you to my to a couple of good um, tools that you can use here. For example, I love toggle list. Okay, so the reason I love toggle list because I could actually type something like module one, and then if I do tab and enter, I'm sorry, and it will appear as a second toggle. But if I do tab, this um materials that I put here, for example, if I do module one, the uh universal characteristics of life, for example. And then if I do major biomolecules, for example, so these are under module one. And if I click here, it will look like it's just module one that appear, but it's actually have all the information in here. And each of these you can make it your its own toggle. So it's very I would say this one is extremely helpful if you want to just make everything look like clean and neat. Okay, so another thing that you can do instead of toggles, you can do pages. For example, page. It will create like the entire new page for you within that University of North Alabama page. So does that make sense? It's like a folder, and then you have files in that folder, but in that folder you can actually use it as a file, if that makes sense. Okay, so for example, if I type here biochemistry, and I can choose a template. If I need to, like class note or whatever over here that I need, class note, for example, use this template. Let's see what they have here. Okay, so they have a database, not like a spreadsheet, but it's not really a spreadsheet. It's like a table, but it gives you different options. For example, each of these class is a page that you can open it as a page. The new design of Notion is very nice because it has the side by side comparison. So I really like this. They have some like you can change this. It's maybe not it's maybe not what you want, but you can definitely change the title. For example, I want to change this title to for example, major biomolecules, for example. And I can also make it more personal by choosing like an emoji or a picture. You can add cover. You can do almost anything with it. You can change the day from created to the last updated and class. Okay, so if you click on this one, you see this is a selection. That means you can select one category. However, you can also add your materials as PDF files or Excel sheets or Word document, a link or anything. So it's very useful